Good morning, it's Aston here from Anchor Cars. Just giving you that video walk around of the Mercedes C300 convertible. As you can see, the vehicle itself is absolutely lovely. It is a little bit dirty at the moment. We've had some dirty rain over the last couple of nights, but the vehicle itself is lovely and it doesn't hide any major damages to the vehicle at all. Front alloy is all looking lovely, no signs of scuffing on there. Bodywork's all nice and straight as well. No nasty dings, dents, lumps or bumps. Rear alloy for you has got some light corrosion on the outer edges, but nothing too major at all. Looks like it's had a brand new tyre on there as well. Back end looking lovely. Rear alloy, once again, a light bit of corrosion on the outer edges, but no major scuffs. And the same with this front one as well. Jumping inside the vehicle is absolutely loaded with spec. Everything you'd ask for from your convertible. That being air scarf, heated seats, digital cockpit. I'll turn her over for you so you can see there's no nasty warning lights or anything else. We've also got your full command system up here, everything all in working order. DAF for your phone, nav, Bluetooth, anything you can ask for really. And the roof is fully operational as well. I'll show you that for you. Fully secured in. Again, roof is all in nice order as well. No signs of tears, rips or damage. Just a little bit dirty. As I said, we've had some very dirty rain over the last couple of days, but it will be fully valeted off before the vehicle leaves site. All in all, it's an absolutely lovely vehicle. I'm sure you agree, and I look forward to hearing back from you. Thank you, goodbye.